Spider-Man outfit. Inside, you get the Spider-Man mask right here. The Spider-Man suit. Oh yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome Spider-Man suit right there. Check it out. Here's the back of the Spider-Man suit. This is good. Nice stretchy material. Nice, nice, nice. Very cool, very cool. So here's the Spider-Man front. Here's the Spider-Man back. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Look at the zipper. The zipper is right here. See, you got a zipper right here. Let me go open up the zipper. Unzip the Superman outfit. And it zips up to around right here. See? Zips up to right here. So now, yeah. There we go. See, crawl on one side. We're crawling this side. Oh, nice, nice. All right, let me get the other leg in. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. All right, let's go. Putting the hands in. So once you have the feet in, just put the hands in right here. Oh, look at the hands. Look at the hands. Look at the hands. Look how cool the hands are. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So the fingers right here. The fingers. Make sure you put the thumb in, the index finger, all the fingers right there. So that's the hand right there. Oh, dude, that fits like a glove. That is so cool. Fits like a glove. So cool. Spider. Boom. Let me put on the other side. Oh, yeah. This other side right here. This looks awesome. Check it out. Check it out, guys. This is so cool. It's crazy how cool this outfit is. Okay, check it out right here. And this side. All right, putting the hands in. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. So now I probably need somebody to help me zipper the back. See, the back is not so easy to zipper up. So you gotta find somebody to zipper the back for you. So let me see if I can zipper the back part myself. Oh, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. Let me see. How do I zipper the back myself? Can I zipper it myself? Probably cannot zipper this myself. Yeah, I can't quite zipper it. Wait, hang on. Maybe. Be right back. Let me get somebody to zip it up for me. Okay? Oh, yeah. The Spider-Man mask. Let's go put on the Spider-Man mask right now and complete the outfit. Done. Oh, this one has a zipper too, so you can unzip it. And I'm going to see if I can put it on without unzipping. Let's see. Let me see. Can I put it on without unzipping? Let me see. We'll try. Oh, cool. Dude, this is so cool. I can see through the eyes. Oh, it's so cool. I totally can see through the eyes. This is so awesome. All right, I'm going to hide the headband real quick. Woo! Spider-Man. Oh, yeah. Woo! Spiderweb. Oh, this is such a cool outfit. Very elastic. You can jump around and do crazy flips like this. Woo! Spider-Man. Boom. Whoa! Spider-Man. Whoa! Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Whoa! Haha! Boom! Oh, so cool! Love this outfit. This is the Spider-Man outfit. This is such a cool outfit for Halloween. Oh yeah! Spider-Man time. Spiderweb. Haha!